Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today is Friday, the last day to trade of the week, and we're just gonna go over what happened today. We had more sell-off today, as you can see. This is the 2-day 5-minute chart. We were at 300 yesterday, and it just sold off, and then futures weren't looking too good. And we pushed up a little right at open, but then it just started selling off. These lines I made on the computer for just some like support lines. They worked pretty well. We ended up doing 3 trades. I traded SPY. I traded Microsoft. We'll take a look at Microsoft real quick. As Microsoft was at the 140.9 high, and then it's just been pushing down with the market, and then it looks like it's coming back up a little bit, but I exited the trade right around this last line. I decided to get out. I saw that SPY was coming back a little bit, and it did push back down again, but then it came up. And then we also traded Goldman Sachs. I've been talking about this one for a while. It's been a good one to me. Let's look at the chart. So yeah, if you see, this is the chart. I had it mapped out the previous day, and then today it just started. Today it just started selling off. It hit a low of 205.31, then it started coming back a little bit. The market overall starting to come back a little bit. We could see a little buying on Monday. Who knows what happens over the weekend? We have a long time even before then. But if everything stays good, there's no news, we could see a little, buyback, and it might go up a little bit. Might hit the 210 area, push up a little past that. But let's get over to the positions. I'm swinging Activision. And then, as you can see, $343 today. We're at $1,300. Yesterday when I made that video, I was at like $750. I had one position open, and that was Goldman Sachs. Trump tweeted, hey, we're going to tariff China, and the whole market just started tanking. So if I held my puts, I could have came out like 1.5K plus that day. But that's the thing as a trader. Like, we all have those trades where we say, oh, if I held. That's not what trading's about. Trading's about getting in, getting your profits, mapping the trade, then getting out. Like, there's already enough risk trading options that you don't want to hold it, and it can completely go against you. Like, a winning trade can become a losing trade so fast. So it's important to get in and get out. But yeah, we recovered. So yesterday we actually only ended up losing $121, and it was a huge lesson learned. I got to be more patient and not add to losers and not trade against the trend. So not a bad day overall. SPY, I sold SPY a little early, but that's okay. I had a 293 put and sold it a little early. It went up to like $2 when SPY dropped down to its low, because SPY was all the way down there to the 290s, and it was up to $2, but I sold it early. I got out. I'm fine with that. $37 on that. These other 2 trades, pretty good though. And it was just overall really good day. I'm looking to swing Activision all next week, so I'm going to go pretty heavy into this one. And I'm going to be looking at if we go to options here, I'm going to go to the 16th of August, and I'm going to be looking at the $51 to $52 calls. They do have earnings coming up, but I'm banking on them beating earnings, guys. Like, if you check out their chart, let's see daily, month, 3 months, 6 months. Let's go the 1 year. Okay, look at that. At the high of 84.67, all the way down here to this 39.85, and now they're starting to push up. They have new games coming out, Call of Duty's coming out, then like the WoW's coming out, and I think they're gonna have a really good earnings, and we can see it push up probably to the 55, maybe even gap up to the 65 in a month, guys. That's what I'm banking on, them gapping up to the 65, recovering that gap down from incredible earnings, and just overall, they just never really came back from the sell-off that happened in December. You know, this, if you look over here, it's like the October, December area, yeah, when the sell-off was happening, and they probably had a bad earnings. But I'm looking for this to gap up to even like 60, 65 area. So just look for it after earnings come out, and hopefully, you know, little Trump doesn't ruin the market and crash it even more. But hey, overall, solid day. We're at $1,300 in the account. I am up almost, what is that, 200%? Yeah, because I started with $500, guys. So we're just growing fast, learning every day. I'm not an experienced trader. This is something new. I'm showing you my wins, my losses, showing you it all. I'm not trying to hide the account or anything. And hey, if I blow the account up, I'll show you guys that. I'm not afraid to. So hey, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you for all your comments on that last video. You know, it meant a lot, as had a rough day trading. Everyone does. But that's part of trading, the ups and downs. So yeah, guys, once again, have a good day. Comment if you want, like, subscribe. All right.